Kei te tautoko o te minita hall o te manatū o Ranga Tamariki a Tracy Martin i te karanga kia whakatewhatewhahia te tūkinotanga o ngā tamariki i roto i ngā whare kāwanatanga i ngā wā ōmua. Ahakoa ngā kōrero whakariha-riha kua puta i ngā tau nei e pāna ki te tūkinotanga o ngā tamariki i te puritia i roto i ngā whare kāwanatanga. Ka are tonu te kāwanatanga ōmua i aro ki te karanga kia whakahaerehia he whakatewhatewha. I kōrero tā tātou tute tōranga pua eruera rerekura ki te minita hall kia Tracy Martin i te rānei, anei tana pūrongo.
Kei te whakawātea ia i te huarahi kia tūtuki pai ai te pakirehua.
When we hold this inquiry, it's done well because the people that we need to validate and honour in this need to have it done well. So we're consulting early before we even do the scoping, and then I'll take the papers to Cabinet and then as quickly but as appropriately as we can, we'll start moving forward.
I support that an inquiry should happen because that would uncover a lot of the abuse that happened in those, in those times.
Engari kauri ia i te mōhio me he komihana a te krauna rānei, he whakatewhatewha rānei.
That's one of the questions we're putting together. Because having spoken with the Prime Minister, I know what we're looking for is we're looking for, truth and reconciliation is sort of really what we're looking for, making sure that the individuals who will participate will be able to be validated and honoured for their truth.
We need to seek the truth and do the right thing for the victims.
Hioi ko te mahi tuatahi, ko te tūtaki a kanohi ki ia pārurenga rānei ki ngā rōpū rānei.
The Ministry's just brought to me quite a long list of people to start initial consultations before we even get into what is the scope. So we want to go out very early.
A kauri huki ia mo te whakahe ki te tuku whakapāha ki ngā pārurenga, mā te Premier ke rānei, tawa mahi.
I'd really like to have that conversation with my Cabinet colleagues, with the Prime Minister, because whether it would be a minister at my level, whether it would be the Prime Minister herself, whether there's an all-of-government way to do that, I think that's a conversation that needs to take place, certainly.
They want someone to be held accountable and they want some closure and they want to be able to move on. They want to acknowledge that what happened to them was wrong, and so therefore that comes in an apology from the government.
Nō reira, kei te mōhio ia, he nui ngā mahi kei runga i ona pakihiwi. Iriwere rerekura, te karere.